Hi all, this is Vatsala here from Bonito Designs. Now we are at Nambiar Belizia Villa. This is one of the work in progress videos of Bonito Designs which we have designed for our client Padma. So guys, now we are at Padma's Villa. Let us get in now. Come on. So guys, we are in the foyer area. Basically what we have planned here is we have used a crisscross fall ceiling on the ceiling with a huge entrance paneling. Over we have this side we have planned a nice stone cladding with the pebble tray at the bottom, and there is a good platform for the Buddha statue. Probably you will be able to see the look and feel in the final update of ours. Let me explain you the concept we have taught in the living room. Basically in the living room we have not given so many furnitures to keep the space as much open as possible. The way we have designed this, we have given a wall paneling here with a ledge at the bottom where it is a freestanding furniture. In fact, right now the work is in progress, so you can see it a little bit messy here and there. So towards this side we have planned a nice display unit. You can call it as an open showcase which can be accessible from both ends, on from the staircase side and also from this side. And there is a platform where we have planned a nice statue also. So there are two entrances for the dining room on either side of the TV unit. Let me explain you the dining area in detail. So coming to the dining area, the way we have done the space planning is the entire ceiling we have symmetrically divided into pieces of 2 squares placed in a tilted manner with an angle of around 45 degrees. So the ceiling is beautified by nice wooden ceiling with the rhombus shapes. Over this side, the way we have planned the crockery unit, we have taken an L-shaped wall paneling with the niche which will be cladded probably with the stones, and the niches will be highlighted with the spotlights. And over to this side there is an open kitchen. The open kitchen is beautifully panelled with the entrance wall paneling, and then we have a tall cabinet over to my right hand side. If you can just have a look at the tall cabinet, and over to which we have given the provision for the loft. So here we have planned a small utility cabinet with a couple of shelves inside. So most of their atta, chawal, ragi, all the storage items can come inside the utility. So basically the way we have designed this kitchen is an U-shaped kitchen. Towards the center we have an island. In the island we have given the couple of drawers where most of their cutlery, spoons and all those items can come. In detail what baskets we have given, where we have given, I will be explaining to you in one separate video guys this time. Okay, let me take you to the entertainment room now. So guys, we are in the entertainment room right now. The entertainment room, the entrance of the entertainment room we have planned by giving 3 vertical pillars each on either side. So there is a look and feel from dining to the entertainment room. In the entertainment room we have planned a huge wall with a nice TV unit which is going to come here. And there is a paneling with couple of niches which will be lit by using a spotlights. If you can just have overall look at the fall ceiling where we are coming out with something crazy this time in the ceiling, where there are pieces coming in and out, in and out, in and out, and you will see the real effect of the ceiling once the lights are on. Okay, let me take you to the first floor now. So let me take you to the upstairs now. Come on, done. Don't go crazy by the colors, guys. Keep your eyes open. So we have used 2 funky colors, that is pink and ocean blue color, and something wonderful is going to come up with this kid's bedroom. And over to this place we have a walk-in wardrobe wherein we have planned a glass on the shutters with the borders of the green. And this side we have planned a 2 study table on either side with the storage cabinets at the bottom as well as overhead with the ledge in between. If you can see here on this side, we have planned a cot with the head panel floating up to the ceiling and continued towards the border with the spotlights running at the corners. So guys, this is one of the crazy narrow passage or an open space which we have in the first floor, where the couple were voracious book readers or book lovers, you can call. So we have hence designed a nice library which is floating on the wall, where we have used the alternate brass as well as open ledges, and there is a nice low height divan which we have designed. Probably you can get the look and feel in the final video. If you can have a look at the ceiling, where we have used pieces of rectangle in an inclined pattern of around 45 degrees with the borders of false ceiling running around, which will be lit by using false ceiling spotlights as well as the co-light. Let me take you to the other bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So we are in the master bedroom, guys. In the master bedroom we have planned a nice floating cot with the side stand floating towards the end to end of a wall. Towards the right hand side you can see 3 pigeonholes planned to beautify the wall, wherein we are planning to place some artifacts. And hence here there is a TV unit which we have planned with a chest of cabinets at the bottom and a tall unit towards the right hand side. If you can just have a look at the ceiling, we have planned a wooden ceiling with an off center of around 2 feet at an equal intervals, and at the center there is a provision for the fan. Towards this side we have planned 2 walk-in closet with a slider wardrobe on either side. Just have a look. Probably in detail we'll be explaining you in the final update. Let me take you to the workstation now. So we are in the study room, guys. Mostly it is like a workstation now where they will be working in here. So at the corner we have designed a nice zigzag shape ledge with paneling continuing towards the extreme end, and towards this side there is an open cabinet with the study table at the bottom, and we are planning a nice curve shaped table which is to be mounted in place now. So this is the one bedroom wherein we have used black and white color combination, guys. One of the most favorite color of mine. So in this bed towards the headboard we have planned a couple of niches on the headboard and 2 nightstand on either side. And over here we have planned a nice sleek TV unit, and towards this side there is a pedestal continued with a table, and then a zigzag unit continued as a chest of drawers. And here is a provision for an walk-in wardrobe. This is a walk-in wardrobe wherein we have designed it in an L shape, above which there is a loft. So that's it about this house, guys. For more videos of Bonito Designs, keep watching us on YouTube videos, and also you can log on to our Facebook and website at www.bonito.in. Bye bye.